Ever wanted to give your digital art that charming, hand-drawn feel? Let's explore how to inject some authentic, imperfect lines into your work. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop first. Create a new document, any size will do, but choose a resolution suitable for your project now. Select the brush tool from the toolbar. The key to rough lines is understanding brush settings. Start by adjusting the brush size to control line thickness. Then, the most important step is tweaking the hardness. Keep this low, often 0%, for softer, less defined edges. Also, experiment with spacing. A higher value can create a more textured effect. Next, start drawing. Because you are using a soft brush, drawing will now look shaky. Practice creating a few different shapes and lines with varying pressure and speed. Embrace the imperfection to make that hand-drawn feeling. Don't be afraid to overlap or adjust. Use the brush tool freely and create a new character from scratch. Consider a character design for cartoon animation. Experiment with line variation by the pressure. Remember to try to capture that natural energy. See? With these simple adjustments to your brush settings, you can turn a perfect line into something really cool, like hand-drawn art. Now you know the power of rough line design. Go out there and create some cool artwork. #roughlines, #digital art.